Hi friends, in this video I have to solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2005 EC paper. The question is the output y of t of a linear time invariant system is related to its input x of t by the following equation. The filter transfer function h of omega of such a system is given by dash. So what they are given? They are given output x of t minus td plus t plus x of t minus td plus 0.5 x of t minus td plus minus t. What we have to find h of omega. We know h of omega is equal to y of omega by x of omega. So if I want y of omega, I have to take Fourier transform. So I take Fourier transform. So y of omega is equal to, for this 0.5. This is time shifter version of x of omega. So what is the thing? It is x of omega. For x of t, x of omega. For time shifter version, e power minus j omega minus td plus t. Right? So that's fine. Next, for this x of omega, e power minus j omega td. Then for this point, 0.5 e power minus j omega into minus td minus t. Right? So that is the point. Okay. So what will happen? It will be y of omega. If I take all the x of omega left hand side, y of omega by x of omega is equal to e power minus j omega. td I take outside, it will be 0.5 e power j omega t, right? And plus 1 plus 0.5 power minus j omega t. Fine. So if I simplify this, h of omega is equal to e power minus j omega td 0.5 e power j omega t plus e power minus j omega t plus 1. It will be equal to e power minus j omega td. This one is 1 by 2 e power plus j e power minus j, that is cos omega t plus 1. So h of omega is equal to e power minus t j omega td cos omega t plus 1, right? Okay. So this is the answer, but I made some little mistake. It seems here, right? So here you see, we know x of t minus t naught, for that Fourier transform is x of omega e power minus j omega t naught. So what I have here is, the answer is right, please change the step. This is x of t minus td minus t, right? So it will be minus, I take outside. So x of t minus t naught means e power minus j omega td minus t, right? So this is the one. Similarly here I can write it is x of omega minus td plus t. So it will be sorry, td plus t. So if I take e power minus j omega td outside, e power j omega td into minus t. So this will be coming here, and this will be coming e power minus j omega td plus t, right? So it will be coming here, right? So the answer is right, just change this step. Okay, fine. So the option, what is the answer? It is e power minus j omega td cos omega t plus 1. E power minus j omega td cos omega t plus 1. So option A is the right answer. Thank you.